How to fix Wuthering Waves running but not opening in Epic Games. So let me head over to one of the article which is gonna help you and guide you out with the step-by-step process. This is one of the article which is gonna help you out. So the very first step in order to fix this issue is you have to restart your PC. If Wuthering Waves isn't launching from the Epic Games launcher, consider restarting your PC first. This can sometimes fix any internal bugs and glitches that might interface with Epic Games launcher settings. Once you have restarted your device, the next thing you want to do is access the games files and open Wuthering Waves launcher manually. So, if the game shows running in your Epic Games library, the first step is to close it. Access the task manager and end all the tasks with Kuro Games in its name. After that, you have to select Wuthering Waves from your Epic Games library and then select Manage. From the window that opens up, click on the folder icon that you can see beside the uninstall option. This will take you to the games directory. From this folder, scroll down till you see an application named Launcher. Double-clicking on this should immediately open the Wuthering Waves launcher. Well, if it doesn't fix the issue, then the next thing you can try doing is change the launch options. Changing the launch options might fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Wuthering Waves running but not opening on Epic Games. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.